Honorable Victor Ho, Senator of Canada, Mr. Sao Paulo, Commander Party, Parliamentary Assistant to the Minister of Economy, Innovation and Exports, Ms. Haru Sitinen, is that the right pronunciation? City Councilor, Vice President of the Executive Committee of Montreal, Mr. Henry Liu, Vice President, Power Corporation of Canada, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I'm happy and pleased to be invited to attend this reception to celebrate the 3rd year anniversary of China-Canada Junior Chamber Congress and the opening ceremony of the 3rd Canada-China Youth Business Forum. First of all, I would like, on behalf of China's Consulate General in Montreal, to express our sincere congratulations to this big event. As you just mentioned, the introduction of CCJCC is a young organization, just 3 years old, but in the last 3 years, they have worked and developed very fast through its hard work, holding and organizing several big functions, such as annually Canada-China Youth Business Forum, Canada-China Startup Conference, business and cultural trip to China, and all these functions play a very positive role and serve as good platform for the young people of both sides to know much better about each other, especially about the culture, of course including the business culture, and the mutual learning and understanding between the two young peoples of our two countries, and also to increase and expand more opportunities to their career development and advancement. And for today's program, I think also a lot of people coming here also shows their organization and the fully specialty of the young people who are energetic, dynamic, imaginative, creative, and self-confidence. I congratulate you for this. I also know that this year's theme of Business Forum is focused on new era and a new chance. I think it's really to the point. I want to recall the situation between China and Canada for the last year. Overall situation is quite well, is excellent, but just in the year of 2014, Sino-Canadian relations and cooperations have made big progress in various fields, as well as the cooperations between China and Quebec. As you know that Prime Minister of Canada, Stephen Harper, made his 3rd visit to China, and both sides issued the joint achievements in the 20 aspects. Premier of Quebec, Mr. Philippe Couillard, also led the biggest trade delegation to China and signed 45 agreements of cooperation with Chinese partners, covering the fields of culture, education, trade, science and technology, medical and health service, and so on. And you all know that just after China's Lunar New Year, on March 9th, 2015, the long-term and multiple visas for Canadians took effect. As Chinese Ambassador to Canada, Mr. Law, mentioned in his article on the local newspaper, said the reciprocal agreement is another remarkable achievement in the development of bilateral relations between China and Canada, and surely will take China-Canada relations to a new height. And new visa rules will stimulate and facilitate the people-to-people exchange between the two sides. And I believe that CCJCC can well grasp this opportunity and play a much better role in promoting the good relationship to people exchange, especially for young people between the two sides and two countries. Finally, I wish you Business Forum big success. Good luck to you. 谢谢各位。